everybody, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on or off your dark mode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch open the application on your device and log in using your credential. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, here find for the option named Appearance. Click on it. Then you can see Theme option. Click on the drop down box and you can set it as System Darker Light. Choose the light to disable the dark mode and you can see that the dark mode has been turned off. You can click on Dark to enable the dark mode, or you can also set it to System. If a system is in white mode, the app will automatically be in white mode, or if it is in dark mode, it will be automatically changed to dark mode. So that is how you can turn on or off dark mode in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.